Hello everyone and welcome to Katrine's Kitchen. Today we will be making coconut turnovers. Let's get started. You will need 1.5 cups of warm milk, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and you are now going to stir this until it's combined. Now you are going to add 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. And to this, you are going to add 4 cups of flour that has been mixed with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So you're going to gradually add this. I add like about half. That's the last of our flour. Okay guys, now this is what our dough looks like this. So you can just knead it until it is nice and smooth, which is what I'm about to do. If your dough is slightly sticky, you just dust it with a little flour till you can handle it. Now you are going to leave this to rise for until it is doubled in bulk, probably for about an hour, approximately an hour. And then we are going to go on to the next part of making our coconut turnovers. Okay guys, so now we are going to make the filling for our coconut turnovers. And you'll need 4 cups of grated coconut. Make sure, grated or blended, but make sure that you squeeze out the coconut milk from in the coconut because it will make a soggy filling and you don't want that. You'll need 2.5 cups of brown sugar. I use brown, but you can use white or granulated sugar if you like. But I use 2.5 cups of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 2 teaspoons of grated nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. And you're just gonna mix this until it is combined, and that is your filling for your coconut turnover. Okay everyone, so now this is our dough and it's time. What we are going to do now is remove the dough from the bowl and we are going to cut it into small pieces, enough to make some small balls. So this is the size that we are going to cut it into. We are going to cut it into this size and then you are going to form it into small balls and you are going to leave it to rest and relax again for approximately 15 minutes. After that, we are going to open it out into a circle and we are going to put our filling. So, okay guys, with this dough, we got 15 turnovers or to-be turnovers. So you are going to leave it to rest now for about 15 to 20 minutes. And you can cover it with a towel or you can cover it with some damp paper towels and just let it rise until the next step. Okay guys, so we are back and we are now going to open our dough balls into a circle. This big. And then we are going to take coconut mixture, put it in the middle. I usually do about 2 spoons. And you spread it until it's just 1/2 inch from the edge. All around. Just a little more. And then you're going to fold it. You make a glaze for your coconut turnover. And the glaze is basically brown sugar. And you mix 1 cup of water and 3/4 cups of brown sugar. You put it on your stove to boil for maybe a little bit like 5 to 10 minutes. Remove it, let it cool, and then you are going to basically glaze your turnovers with it after it has baked. So you bake this at 350 degrees until it's a nice golden brown. When you remove it and whilst it's still warm, or you can do it exactly when it comes out of the oven and it's hot, you use your glaze and you glaze your coconut turnover. So this is what you do. You bend this end to this way. You do this end this way, right? And then you make it into a log like this. And you fold it up. And then you put it seam side down onto your baking sheet, greased baking sheet. And you put it down like this, okay? The seam side down. So this is your first coconut turnover. Okay guys, so this is your coconut turnover, and you will put it on your tray, your greased baking sheet, and you're going to let it rise for approximately half an hour until it is nice and doubled. You're going to put it in your oven and you're going to bake at 350 degrees until it's a nice golden brown. Remember that your glaze for the top of your coconut turnover, it's 3/4 cups of brown sugar and 1 cup of water. You can put that on your stove and let it boil for 10 minutes. Remove it, let it cool, and once you take your turnover out of the oven, you glaze the top of it with your glaze. Okay? Okay guys, so this is the finished turnover. As you can see, it's already glazed. Now, remember what I told you all with the concerning the glaze. This is the consistency that you want your glaze to be. Okay? Just this nice thick consistency. So it's 3/4 cups of brown sugar and 1 cup of water. And you just boil that for 10 minutes and you will get this. So you can glaze it either hot or you can glaze it when it's cold. But this is the shine that you're looking for. Enjoy!